Dear students, today we'll discuss the design of a 4-bit shifter. Here, n-bit shifter should be able to shift incoming data by up to n minus 1 places, either in a right shift or left shift. If you know, further specify that all shift should be on an end around basis, so that any bit shifted out at one end of a data word will be shifted in at the other end of the data word. Okay, here if you consider the 4-bit word, 1 bit shift right is equivalent to a 3-bit shift left, and a 2-bit shift right is equivalent to a 2-bit shift left. Okay, here this is the structure of 4-bit shifter. We can call this one as a crossbar switch. This shifter have input from a 4-line parallel data bus, 4 output lines for the shifted data, transferring input data to output lines with any shift from 0 to 3 bits. The arrangement is quite general and may be readily expanded to accommodate n-bit outputs. This arrangement is an overkill in that any input line can be connected to any or all output lines. If all switches are closed, then all inputs are connected to all outputs in one glorious short circuit. Further, this 4x4 crossbar switch will consist of 16 control signals SW002 to SW15 for each transistor, each switch. Okay, here because of this the complexity increases, and also cost is also increases, and also area increases. Okay, to minimize this problem, we go for barrel shifter. The interface switches have their gate inputs connected in a staircase fashion in groups of 4, and there are now 4 shift control inputs which must be mutually exclusive in the active state. Instead of NMOS transistor, we can also use transmission gates. This is the structure and this is the layout of the 4x4 barrel shifter. Thank you.